Hello, today we are going to see how to implement left outer join using pandas in Python. All the referenced libraries and code snippets that are used in this video are provided in the description of this video. So without wasting any time, let's see how to perform this left outer join in Python. First, we use kandi to find the code to implement left outer join. So go to kandi.openviewer.com. In our case, we need to search left outer join pandas. Right away, we can see multiple code snippet recommendations. Let's go ahead with the first one, which uses this pandas library. But before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. Package installation is available above the code. You can directly copy the installation script from here. Now let's get back to our code. I'm going to copy the code entirely from here with a single click. Then go to my IDE and paste it into my IDE. Let's take a closer look at the code. First, we need to import the pandas library. Import pandas as PD. Then we have two different data frames, df1 and df2, which has column names along with their values. Then this part of the code performs the left outer join. For that, first we need to merge the two different data frames df1 and df2, and this how parameter decides whether we need to perform left outer join or right outer join and so on. So in our case, we need to perform left outer join, so the value is given as left. Now I'm running the code. Here you can see the output which has performed the left outer join function.